Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Pura 7D, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of the screen like I just did, and then swipe down right here to extend the list of toggles. Next, locate the Do Not Disturb toggle, which might not be added by default, as I don't see it. So we're going to click right here on this box, and then select Edit Switches, and you can see our Do Not Disturb mode is somewhere here below. So once you see your toggle, you want to hold it. The text above will change to drag here to remove, so we're going to drag it above that text, drop it, select Done, and now it's added to your toggles. From here, you can either tap on it to immediately turn it on, or you can hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function when it's enabled. So go over these options, customize them, and then you can close it. Now whenever you will want to enable your Do Not Disturb mode, simply tap on it. It will bring up this window every single time unless you check the box right here, don't remind me again. The message states that when enabled, calls and notifications will be silent, alarms will ring as usual. Let's click on Enable. And that's it. It adds this little moon icon right here to indicate that it is right now running. One more thing that I'm going to add is most phones come with an option to allow you to choose for how long Do Not Disturb mode will run when enabled, which is a very good option for people with not the greatest memory like me. So when I would enable my Do Not Disturb mode, I would probably forget about it and it would run indefinitely by default in the background, which is the only option you have right here, unless you turn it off yourself, and obviously that means that you need to remember about it. So there is no option to put a timer on it, unfortunately, but there is a kind of a workaround around this. And what you could do by going into the settings again, you can select a schedule and select it to run every single day somewhere at night when, for instance, you're sleeping, and make it so it runs for like 1 minute. So obviously when you enable your Do Not Disturb mode throughout the day and forget about it, it will run till the middle of the night, whatever you've chosen. And then it's going to try to re-enable it again, but because it's already enabled, it won't do anything. And a minute later, it's going to actually turn it off. So that's a workaround to circumvent this kind of problem. And obviously, if you remember about your Do Not Disturb mode, just find a toggle and tap on it to turn it off. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.